Welcome back to another Mario Hunters cleaning video. Today we're cleaning a classic Game Boy cartridge. This cartridge is in pretty decent shape. It's got a couple little scratches on the label. The backside's got some sticker residue. We'll probably break out the Goo Gone and get that all cleaned off. Um, this video is the third video in the series. It's going to be a rather short video. It doesn't take long to clean these little guys. We are going to start, like all of our videos, we're going to start with the warm soapy water and take our washcloth and just kind of get the initial dirt off of the cartridge. As I've said in the other videos, I like to clean the outside of the cartridge first. That way you don't have to worry about getting dirt on the inside of the cartridge when you take it apart. And it just makes it a little easier when you put it back together to know that it's already taken care of. We're just going to go over the label. We're going to get this area right here where the Game Boy logo is. And let's see. I think we're going to take the toothbrush, go ahead and get the little areas that you can't reach with the washcloth. The toothbrush is one of our handiest tools. You can use it to get the little corners, the little indentation here on the cartridge. And let's see, we're going to go ahead and break out the Goo Gone. This stuff is amazing. It will remove sticker residue so quickly. We just put a little drop on our washcloth. We're using a separate washcloth to apply the Goo Gone. Now we just add a little bit to it, and we're going to scrub this part right here, get it taken care of. And notice how quickly that comes off. And unlike using the magic eraser with the Goo Gone, you don't have to worry about it leaving a residue. It doesn't leave any extra, um, like the white residue the magic eraser will. And it actually kind of shines the cartridge up a little bit. You want to make sure you get it completely dry. Make sure all the little stickers off. While we're doing this, we're going to go ahead and bring in the Warrior Princesses plug real quick. If you aren't familiar with Dravet syndrome, we suggest checking out warriorprincesses.org and seeing what it's all about. Uh, my granddaughters have been diagnosed with Dravet syndrome since a young age, and we are currently in the process of putting together a nonprofit organization for other families with Dravet syndrome. We're going to go ahead and we're breaking out our 3.8 millimeter game bit driver and getting the screw out. Like all of our other games, we clean the screw heads, make sure that they look shiny when we put them back together. Now, the Game Boy cartridge is a little strange because you've got to slide it. You've got to take the top and the bottom, and you'll notice you can just slide the top. And if you slide the top down, pull the top off, the inside of the cartridge is right there. You'll notice this cartridge has a battery. It has been tested to make sure that battery is still active for save files and so on. Uh, the board on this cartridge is actually in really good shape. Notice the soldering's all really good. There's no corrosion or anything on the cartridge, no leakage from the battery. Now we got it all separated. We'll go ahead and we'll take our soapy washcloth and get the inside of the cartridge cleaned out real quick. Make sure there's no dust floating around. Get around the edges. On any of the cartridges, there's always little edges where you take the washcloth and that's where the dust accumulates. Make sure it's dry. That way when you put it back together, you don't have to worry about corrosion on the board. So we're just drying off the inside of the cartridge, making sure it's ready as soon as we get the board clean. Now, we're going to use our eraser, and as I've stated before, I like to use the eraser as opposed to any type of liquids that would corrode the connectors. So these connectors look pretty good. It's just going to be you're not even really scrubbing too hard, just kind of a light scrub with the eraser, and you'll notice any dirt comes right off. It looks bright and shiny. That's how quick it is to get these things cleaned. I mean, it doesn't take very long. It keeps the game lasting for many years into the future. As we've talked about before, that's our whole goal is to make these games last so that the next generation can see them. We just snap it back together and we're going to put our screw back in. We drop new videos every Friday on YouTube at Mario Hunters. You can always check out the website, mariohunters.com. We have plenty of games, controllers, and systems. You'll find all kinds of cool stuff there. Check us out, and don't forget to check out warriorprincesses.org. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all the other stuff that the other YouTubers say. Thank you, and have a great Friday.